Okay, so we're going to do this example. So the asymptotes for a horizontal hyperbola, so that's good because, right, they tell us right away it's a horizontal, are y equals 7/9 x and y equals negative 7/9 x. And the vertices are 9, 0 and negative 9, 0. Write an equation of the hyperbola. Okay. So again, we're going to go through the same steps. The first thing that we need to do is we need to find the center. Okay? So here we go. This is example 2. Step 1. And that is find the center. We already know it's a horizontal, so now a horizontal hyperbola. So now we just got to figure out that center, because that center will tell us a lot. And to find the center, you guys, guess what we do? Find the midpoint. So to find the center, we're going to find the midpoint. To find the midpoint, we use the vertices. So the midpoint equals x1, which is 9, plus x2, which is negative 9, divide by 2. y1 plus y2 divided by 2. What is 9 plus negative 9? And what's 0 divided by 2? 0 plus 0? 0. What's 0 divided by 2? Okay, so again, our center is 0, 0. So that means it's going to be x squared over a squared minus y squared over b squared equals 1. I know it for sure it's going to be that one because they told us it was horizontal. Okay, so step 2 is to find the a value, or to find the value of a. Okay, so now we need to look at what information they gave us. So we know that to find A, we can use a vertex, one of our vertexes in our center. We can use the distance. Or there's something cool because they gave us an asymptote, you guys. We know that our asymptote is y equals b over ax. And the asymptote they gave us is y equals 7 over 9x. You guys, you could do it the long way, but it's always going to come back to what information did they give us? Well, they gave us this. Well, BA. So what is the A value in the axis in this asymptote equation? It's B over A, so that means B is 7. What is A? 9. Well, I'm not interested in just A. I want A squared. So what is A squared? 81. Step 3 is to find the value of B. Again, what did they give you? Well, I don't know C. They didn't give me anything for C, no matter what. They didn't give me any foci. They only gave me the vertexes, and the only way you can find C is from the foci. Well, I don't know the foci. So I do know this axis of symmetry. Again, you guys, the axis of symmetry is y, not the axis of symmetry, I apologize. The equation of the asymptote, which is y equals b over ax. Well, if A was 9, what is B? 7. I'm not interested in just B. I need B squared. What is B squared? 49. Again, how did I know this? They gave me this equation. You guys, whatever they give you, see if you can use that without having to go and find the distance of things. And then step 4 is to write the equation. Well, the problem told us it was a horizontal hyperbola, so it's definitely going to be x squared minus y squared equals 1. Well, what goes underneath x squared? 81 or 49? 81. And what goes over y? What goes under y squared? Now, the reason I know it's x squared and not x minus h or something like that is because my center was 0, 0, and this is my final answer. You do need to look at what other information they gave us. So like in the first example, they gave us the foci. So I needed to see if I could make that work to help raise my equation, write my equation. And this one, the asymptote, they gave us the asymptote, so what do I know about that? And again, you guys, remember you will have some formula sheets, but I need you to make sure that you're aware of this stuff. And that's it. Those are the notes for today.